This 2020 Heartland Big Country 3560SS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, skylight, oven, stovetop burner, slide-out, external shower, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Heartland Big Country 3560SS is 13,214 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.